All right, thanks Generac. Spend $20,000 plus on your generator here. Then I find out I think I got to do a fuse in this box here, so we're gonna try and change some little fuse here. Gonna go find a store, travel. Yeah, they expect you to change this in the winter or the rainstorm. Little fuse, hopefully it's just this problem, but if not, this is my last video, and I'd like to thank you all for watching my first video, and my lawyers will be contacting you soon, Generac. That was supposed to be that way. It says it's a T1 fuse with the blinking thing, so I don't know. Never done this before. See what happens. Still alive. Same one. BBS -5 600. What? Got to be the right way, I guess. Right, going the right direction. Soon find out. All right, we'll try and wrap this up. It says it's just that fuse, so we'll trust it. We'll trust this technology. It's accurate. I think this was supposed to be whoever didn't do this. Whoop. Put this on. Over here. Off. Huh. I live to tell another day, another video.